Hi guys, in front of me is REALME 14x and let me show you how to perform a soft reset. So basically all you have to do is tap on power button along with volume up button. Tap and hold. Keep holding just a few more seconds. And once you feel a smooth vibration and see REALME logo, you can remove fingers from both buttons and just wait till your phone is rebooted. Now try the unlock pattern, and that's it. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.